Oh, sorry, didn't see you there.
Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Brino.
We are two former AP Bio students and current seniors.
And we're here to tell you all about the course that is AP Bio.
Biology is a study of all living organisms and their vital processes.
Processes such as their behavior, anatomy, physiology, and distribution.
There are also many different branches of biology, including but not limited to pathology, neurological sciences, and zoology.
For example, how evolution is the answer to why giraffes' necks are so long.
Or even how one gene can influence the trajectory of human development.
As you can see, biology is very expansive and thus can be used in almost every field of work, from engineering
to medicine.
Also in biology, you get to use fancy and long words such as oxidative phosphorylation
and pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcaniosis.
Nice.
I did it.
AP Biology is the equivalent to a first-year Bio 101 class in most universities.
With that being said, it is much more rigorous in terms of pace and content than regular level biology.
In AP Bio, you will receive the same education as any other AP Bio student because it has to follow a certain substandard curriculum, the same that any bio major would be required to receive.
This is different for regular biology because the curriculum can differ from school to school and is based upon what they decide to include.
The AP Biology curriculum is regulated heavily by the College Board. There are 8 units that are covered in AP Bio.
Those include chemistry of life,
cell structure and function,
cell energetics,
cell communication and the cell cycle,
heredity,
gene expression and regulation,
natural selection,
and ecology.
In this unit, you will go in-depth into biochemistry, the combination of biology and chemistry to discuss water at a molecular level, the properties of water, and receive an introduction into life.
Also in this unit, you were introduced to the 4 macromolecules, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids, and how they help and interact in multiple metabolic pathways. This unit focuses on the cell and the various organelles that are present, and how interactions between these organelles allow the cell to thrive.
In detail, you'll go over the key topics such as subcellular components, cell size, plasma membranes, membrane permeability, membrane transport, facilitated diffusion, tonicity, osmoregulation, and cell compartmentalization. All organisms require energy in order to function. This energy comes from a variety of sources, but all energy on Earth originates from the sun. Energy is neither created nor destroyed, it is just transformed. All living things transfer energy between them.
And so, in this unit, we discuss in detail enzyme structure and function, photosynthesis, cellular respiration, and other key components such as electron carriers and ATP synthase. You will get very comfortable with both mitochondria and chloroplasts.
In this unit, you will discuss the cell cycle, signal transduction, and cell communication. Cell communication is the process by which cells detect and respond to signals in their environment. Cell communication is one of the most important processes in the human body so that the organism can thrive.
Heredity is the concept of passing genes from parents to offspring. This starts from the production of gametes or sex cells.
Also in this unit, you'll explore the various patterns of inheritance, such as why families have certain characteristics.
Also how meiosis can ultimately lead to the formation of zygotes and eventually a full-grown baby, as well as the many ways that genetic diversity can occur, such as recombination or independent assortment.
In this unit, you'll learn everything there is to learn about DNA and its structure and incorporation to the human genome. In order for a gene to be expressed, it must undergo multiple complex processes such as translation, transcription, replication, and finally expression.
You will also discuss different types of regulators present in the genome that can be activated to regulate processes, such as the release of certain substances when an organism needs it.
You will further learn how to read a DNA and RNA sequence via the codons that inscript them, which code for different amino acids, and via gel electrophoresis, which can be used in crime investigations that have to rely on DNA as evidence.
In this unit, you will explore the process of natural selection in various species and how evolution has shaped how species live and thrive. You can even use calculations to find out an estimate of what alleles and genes are found in a community using the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium equations.
Another thing that you will learn are the various experiments and research into the origins of life and how early earthly organisms came to be.
Audio Jungle.
Ecology is all about the interactions that organisms have amongst themselves and with their environment. This can be seen on a small scale within populations and on larger scales in ecosystems and across the globe. In this unit, we'll discuss how organisms interact and are related through trophic pyramids, food chains and webs, ecosystems, as well as by other means.
You will learn about populations and how their environment can fluctuate their numbers. One of the most significant factors in ecology is biodiversity. You explore its effect on ecosystems.
Audio.
Why should I take AP Bio?
Advanced placement courses benefit you in more than one way. They can get you college credit, opt you out of certain freshman year classes, and help you finish your minor or major a little quicker. And challenging AP courses look impressive on your college applications. They show you're a well-rounded and driven student who likes to challenge themselves, which is one of the top qualities colleges, competitive or not, search for.
Is it worth it taking AP Bio?
Yes, in my personal opinion, it is worth to take AP Bio, especially if you plan on doing something in the science field in college and in the working world. Even if you do not plan on doing something with science, AP Bio will help you learn how different functions work so that you can better understand humans and other organisms.
How can I use AP Bio in college and beyond?
AP Biology is a unique advanced placement course. It is one of the only AP classes that does not offer college credit. The reason being that all colleges require freshmen and science majors to take Bio 101, a first-year bio course, since it is a crucial foundation for pre-med, medical students, and bio students alike. You cannot skip this course. It's kind of like hearing that your doctor didn't take basic biology in college and only in high school. Yikes. AP Biology is offered as an Outlook and Experience course. It looks especially good on university applications since it shows you have previous knowledge of biology, and you can put you ahead of other applicants.
What are the requirements to take AP Bio?
For Stellington High School, there are no mandated requirements, but there are some recommended prerequisites, which include 9-year or better in earth science, and Algebra 2 and chemistry must be taken beforehand or concurrently for a first bio class. But this course can also be taken as a second bio class, where they suggest an 85 or better in CCP biology and a completed or concurrent chemistry course.
Is it interesting?
AP Bio is an extremely interesting course. It encompasses many different studies despite being seemingly science-based. Some studies include, but are not limited to, engineering, criminology, medicine, general biology, genetics, biotechnology, and ecology, just to name a few. Despite how interested you are in biology, it's always interesting to learn about how some of the deeper questions regarding human existence, such as why diseases exist and only affect certain people, or what DNA actually does.
What is an AP test?
AP tests are large, usually 3-hour exams at the end of each course that is used to measure success in an AP course. If you pass, which is a 3, 4, or 5, it can be used as a college credit at colleges and universities who take AP credits, although this doesn't apply to certain AP courses.
How well do students do on the AP Bio test?
Very few students manage to get a perfect score on the AP Bio exam. It is very challenging and tests a broad spectrum of topics and skills. Only 9.5% of test takers got a perfect score last year, and more than 50% score a 2 or a 3. But don't be discouraged. The exam was designed to be very rigorous, and colleges know this. AP exams are actually harder than actual college exams. So even if you get a 1 in the exam, that could correlate to as a 2 or even 3 to colleges.
Is the exam hard?
AP Biology is one of the more difficult APs based on its challenging curriculum. The low rate of students who earn 5s in the exam and the consensus from students on the demanding nature of the class. It's a challenging class for most students, but it should be manageable if you're aware of what you're facing.
What happens if I pass the exam?
Nah, bro. Unfortunately, colleges do not accept credit for AP Bio, since it's considered a crucial course in university, and you'll be required to take Bio 101, the AP Biology equivalent in college. However, it could help in your acceptance into a school or college program, since AP Bio is such an impressive course.
What happens if I fail the AP exam?
Nothing really happens if you fail the exam. The only thing that will negatively affect you is that you won't get the college credit. But even if you do fail AP tests, they're designed to be harder than actual college exams, and often a 70 on the test, you can still get a 5. So don't worry. We're here to ponder AP Bio, what the course is all about. It's really super scientific, woo, and mega rad. Here we are once again to explain how the body functions and maintains metabolic pathways, DNA and mutations. I look at the board and my heart starts racing. Hardy-Weinberg equations. That's when the teacher started to explain polypeptide chains. Polypeptide chains. Polypeptide chains. So I put my head up, I look at the board, and there are the 4 bases. Adenine, guanine, yeah. Thymine, cytosine, yeah. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Yeah. AP Bio is a vibe. Yeah. AP Bio is a vibe.